Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just going to be doing a natural everyday makeup routine. I'm just feeling more of a chilled video today, just do a bit of makeup, and I've been doing more of a natural everyday routine that I just wanted to share with you guys. I've been doing my hair a new way as well. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and let's just get straight on with it. Do not forget to like, comment and subscribe for more content just like this, and let's get straight on with today's video. So I'm now all dressed. I'm wearing one of my tall tops and I've got my pink joggers on. So I'm now all dressed. I'm going to do my hair now. I'm not really doing anything fancy to it. This is just something that I've been doing every day. So this is what I'm going to do. My hair is actually curled from when I curled it yesterday. There's just some bits that I want to like recurl just to make it look a bit cuter. So I'm going to do that now to get ready for the day. that's my hair pretty much done. In a realistic morning routine, I wouldn't do my makeup. So right now I'm not going to do a lot to it. I'm just going to do like a little bit of mascara and just little bits. I'm not going to do much at all because, like I said, in a realistic morning routine, I don't do makeup. It's only for filming, for you now, for that kind of thing. But I am going to be doing a photo today for Instagram for a company, so I need to do my makeup for that. So I'm just going to do like a quick little makeup routine, but I'm not going to do a lot. So the foundation that I'll be using is the Foundation Chops by Revolution. This is in the shade F6. I've been using these quite a bit recently. This is for more of a natural look rather than my usual NARS foundation, which gives me more of a tan look and more of a glam look. So these ones that I'm using today, they're quite liquidy and they've got a really nice consistency, and I felt they apply really, really well. I'd normally use a beauty blender to blend in my foundation, but with the foundation drops I prefer to use a brush, one of the hard edge brushes. I think this just makes it buffed in a lot nicer, and especially with it being the liquidy ones, I felt this just gives it a better finish and looks a lot nicer in the end. So today I'm using the Skin Tone Concealer by Kiko. I feel like this one's quite a light one, but it's also got quite good coverage. This one goes on my skin so nicely. It's been my go-to concealer at the moment. It wasn't too expensive either. And then I'm using one of my mini beauty blenders just to blend this all out with. I feel like mini beauty blenders are always the best choice for blending out my concealer. It always just seems to do much better job, and I feel like I was using less product as well when I use one of these. So the palette that I'm using for my blush is the Patricia Bright Face palette. This one is really, really good. It has such a nice blush shading. I bought this from Revolution online not too long ago, and I have been obsessed ever since. Gives your face such a really pretty natural glow and kind of a sun-kissed look as well. It's just so good. So then for my contour, I'm going to use Revolution again. The palette that I'm using today is the Roxy palette. This is one of the ones that I really like, especially for more of a natural look. But I'm going to use one of the lighter shades, and then I'm going to use one of my blending brushes just to blend this nicely into the top of my cheekbones. And then I'm going to also apply this a little bit around my face as well, just to give a little bit more structure. So whenever I do my brows, I always use the St. Lux brow gel. This is one that I got in a glossy box one day and I've used it ever since. This is such a good product and it honestly keeps my brows in place all day long. So doing my highlight today, I decided to go for a little bit of a throwback and use the Sculpt and Glow highlight palette. This used to be my ultimate highlight. I used to absolutely be obsessed with this, but since I discontinued it, I've kind of more branched out to different ones and tried different brands. So I decided today to go back and have a little throwback and use this palette again. I use the white shade because it's my favourite one. I think it's quite shiny and just one of my favourites. Moving on to my eyes now, I'm going to be using the P. Louise base. This is in shade 2 and this is going to be just on my eyes before I actually do any eyeshadow or anything like that. And then for my eyeshadow, I'm using the Big Love Maxi Reloaded palette. This has so many gorgeous nudes and pinks and kind of purples and just those shades. I'm just going for more of a natural nude look today, so I'm going to use like a darker pink, a darker purple, just blend those together and see how it turns out. And then the final step is my mascara, and I'm using my Primer 3D Lash Effect Mascara. This one is so good for definition, and I just think it highlights your eyes so well. So guys, that is my makeup routine. This is my new everyday makeup routine. This is kind of my like lockdown natural look. So this is what it looks like, and I really like it. I've been using a few new products this month. So I've been using the P. Louise base. I've been using the P. Louise base, my Revolution blush, and the Revolution Maxi Big Love palette. I'm in love with all three, and this is kind of. And as well as that, I've been using a different foundation, which is my Revolution Drops, which I have actually been really liking. But that is pretty much it for me for today. I really hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and I'll see you all next time. Do not forget to subscribe, comment, and like this video if you enjoyed this, and I'll see you all next time. Bye guys!